Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with stance and pulse. Adopt a shoulder-width base, knees soft so you can pivot easily. Once grounded, find the song's 4/4 pulse and count 1-2-3-4 aloud or tap the floor on each beat. This anchors timing. Make sure to shift weight subtly on beats 1 and 3 because those are your primary transfer points. This creates the rocking motion. Keep arms loose at hip height so you can add the signature wrist flick when the step pattern starts. You now layer the core step and twist. Step forward on beat 1 and return on 2, step back on 3 and return on 4. Repeat. Once done, add a small torso rotation toward the active foot to produce the characteristic margarita sway. This supplies visual flavor and helps balance. Make sure to use a mild heel-toe roll so your footwork looks crisp, and flick your wrist on the first beat to punctuate the phrase. Practice slowly with counts, then speed up. You finish cleanly by finishing sequences with a held pose on beat 4, chest lifted, knees soft, a small smile to sell the move. If your timing drifts, slow it down immediately. Count slowly, practice feet alone until precise, then add torso and arms back in. This isolates errors so you learn faster. Once comfortable, emphasize musical accents. Pause on a lyric or amplify wrist flicks on an instrumental hit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.